Razorblade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Oh man, babe, I can't feel smell someone. If you like say you bring somebody, you know there, my girl. I'm gonna be able to do. No what yes, I'll be burning. Yo, dog.
Yo, forward now, fam?
Yeah, man, me I just finish being on forward, dog.
Yo, you stop that, man. You stop that, man. I know you're a girl clowning thing, man, but they always touch your
Just wait, now, man. Yeah.
Hi. So, where you go?
You hear me say me I go away?
Yes, me hear you talk to somebody that tell me say something.
You
Where
hear
you
me
go?
say me I go away?
Yes. Listen,
Jeez.
you're not listening.
Listen, what I can do, listen to
you're
the
not
podcast.
going away, left me and the baby in here today.
Jesus
Here?
Christ.
Where you talk
You
to?
hear me?
Where you go?
You hear me phone ring?
Me hear you talk to
Yeah,
somebody.
you know say if you go to church door because me feel like the dopey follow you.
You're not going away, left me and the baby in here
Me
today.
ain't not going away. Me ain't not going away.
Hello, hi, sir. All you do, make sure you wash my jars them. Yeah? Oh.
Your jars them even smell good. If you wash them, sometimes I feel like I don't even me I take them off. I don't wash nothing.
Just to get in contact with me, like, hey, we need to figure something out here.
Yo, dog, drive.
What you talking about, drive?
Drive,
Drive,
me there, dog, drive,
rushing him,
You get mad, man,
You better take your time, talk to me, blood. What happened to you? We rushing me for dog. We just going on the road.
Man, you did this, so we just drive. Man,
What the hell you go? Hey, you there?